Are you still using words like very good and very bad in every sentence? Don't worry, you're not alone. But today, let's upgrade your vocabulary. These 20 smart words will not only make you sound more fluent, they'll make your speech richer, sharper and more impressive. Let's dive in. Instead of saying very good, say excellent. It's a stronger, more confident word that works in both casual and formal settings. Imagine the word excel, to do exceptionally well. Example, that's an excellent idea. Instead of very bad, try atrocious. This word carries weight and intensity. Think of a monster that's hard to tolerate. That's atrocious. Example, the food at that place was atrocious. Drop very smart and say brilliant. It's classy and powerful. Imagine a light bulb turning on. That's a brilliant idea. Example, he's a brilliant engineer. Rather than very boring, say mundane. It adds sophistication. Mondays feel mundane, repetitive, and dull. Example, he was tired of the mundane routine. Replace very happy with ecstatic. This word radiates excitement. Picture someone jumping in joy. That's ecstatic. Example, she was ecstatic after hearing the results. Instead of very scared, say petrified. It shows you were frozen with fear. Think of turning into stone, petrified. Example, he was petrified during the horror movie. Very angry sounds basic, say furious. It's bold and intense. Think of flames and fury. Example, she was furious when she found out. Forget very beautiful, use stunning. It means breathtakingly attractive. Imagine a sunset that stops you, stunning. Example, she looked stunning at the event. Instead of very tired, go with exhausted. This word expresses total depletion. Picture a phone on 1% battery, exhausted. Example, I was exhausted after that hike. Very hungry is okay, but famished is better. It means starving. Think, feed me now. I'm famished. Example, we were famished after the long day. Don't just say very sad, say devastated. It conveys deep sorrow. Imagine a collapsed building after a storm, devastated. Example, he was devastated by the news. Very loud becomes deafening. It paints a vivid soundscape. Think of a concert crowd, deafening. Example, the music was deafening in there. Use minuscule instead of very small. It sounds precise. Mini plus molecule equals sign minuscule. Example, there was only a minuscule amount left. Swap very big for enormous. It sounds vast and powerful. Picture an elephant, enormous. Example, the building was enormous. Instead of very clean, say spotless. It implies perfect cleanliness. Not a single mark, spotless. Example, the house was spotless before the guests arrived. Say chaotic instead of very messy. It adds emotion to the scene. Chaos everywhere, that's chaotic. Example, the kids left the room in a chaotic state. Very fast becomes rapid. It's sleek and efficient. Think of a rocket, rapid acceleration. Example, they made rapid progress. Replace very slow with sluggish. It captures the drag. A slug moves slowly, sluggish. Example, my brain feels sluggish this morning. Very easy can be upgraded to effortless. It sounds elegant and confident. Picture a dancer moving smoothly, effortless. Example, her performance was effortless. Say crucial instead of very important. It sounds decisive and urgent. Think of a crossroad, crucial decisions can't be ignored. Example, it's crucial we finish this on time. The words you use shape how others see you. So why settle for basic when smarter words are just one step away? Practice these 20 powerful upgrades and let your speech evolve. Like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Boost, where smart speaking begins.